We are on mobile now. Okay, so if you go through the mobile on the say on all the apps, okay, and there is a setting on the top. Okay, I found this phone here, and if I go to the setting, on the setting part, your interface may be little different than what I can show to you in my screen, but more or less it will be same. Okay, so you can go through one by one, and there are features like security, device and privacy, and if you go down more and more, there is a app management, account and sync, about phone. Okay, if you go to the about phone, you can know the Android versions and the RAM. Okay, how much is the hard disk, and storage is how much, and all these details. Okay, you can further go and check more details, but my concern here today's session is I want to cover the part of security, right? So when you go here in the security option, I'm having a 300 this app permission 385 times it is saying. Okay, but then find my device, payment protection. Basically, if you are doing if you are using a Google Pay or say any other UPI, okay, it can be Phone Pay or it can be Bhim of the government of India's Bhim app. Okay, in that case, you need this payment protection to be done. Okay, so let me go with the permission of the app first. If you go with the app permission, you have to make a call. Right, there is an option called make a call, read phone state. Okay, there are 28 apps, and if you go down one by one, read SMS, there are 6 app which want to read my SMS. Okay, 6 app want to send the SMS, send MMS. There are 55 apps which who want to send the MMS. There are some app who want to read and delete SMS in my phone. Okay, without my permission or with my permission. Okay, huge camera. There are 30 app who want to use the app. If you go further, and you will see that Amazon Shopping. Why Amazon Shopping need the camera? It's a concern, right? Why should you use the camera on that? Definitely there may be some feature like you want to have a video call with seller or something, maybe there. Okay, so they want to read the camera, but it's not required. So you avoid and make it either you keep it as ask, or then you can keep as prohibit also. You can directly. There is a Google Duo which I have allowed, right? So because this is a video calling uh, app, so if I am using that, then definitely my camera should be accessed. Otherwise, the functionality of that is restricted. Duo will not work without a video camera, right? They cannot function. Google Pay, definitely Google Pay wanted to read my camera, but I have prohibited. Similarly other, so you can check that. Take recordings or record calls. There are 26 apps which can record my calls. Okay, so it's a concern, right? They can record. So again, these are some of the app, but if you see in the list, there is a what file who want to read. There are Truecaller who want to record the calls. Okay, there is a Telegram app. There is a Tata Sky who want to record my calls. Okay, there are Signal app. So these are some of the permissions we should be very concerned. Okay, there are other permission also, but if you go to the app one, okay, so you have take an example, you have installed Amazon Music, or say you have installed most of you might be having a app like uh, Microsoft or Facebook Messenger, or Savan. Okay, JioSavan. So if you are having this app for the first time, if you are installing, it may like to read your OTP also, right? They may be sending some SMS to you for activation or something. In that case, they will ask. So you can restrict this. You can go here and you can either allow it, or you can prohibit, or you can ask. Okay, someone want to read your camera also, so you can say either prohibit. Why should this music app need your camera? So I'm going to disable it. Storage, if you don't allow storage, then you will not be able to download it, right? But if you are not downloading it, only listening, in that case you can keep it as ask, not required, right? So based on, during installation definitely you have to agree, but later on you can change the setting of that app. Any app that you are using, say Facebook want to read my phone, I have prohibit. Contact, I have prohibit. SMS, I said ask me. Location, I'm not allowing Facebook to access location, right? So if I don't allow Facebook to read location, some of the people might be thinking Facebook will not function, right? No, it is not like that. Facebook will definitely function. Okay, let me go. So when I'm accessing the Facebook, it is normally working, right? It is working. There is no problem in accessing Facebook. So it is not required. But definitely if Facebook know your location, then it's much better. Facebook will give you more facilities, like based on your location they may say that this uh, program is going on and all this, somebody have uploaded video on this, that, those things. Microphone, if I allow Facebook to read my microphone, it is Facebook can listen what I am talking. Camera, if I allow camera, if I allow storage or ask, these are again. So during installation, I have to agree, but later on I can modify. Apart from this, overall security of the phone, find my device. If you are not enabling this, if it is off, in that case you are not having the best security in your phone, because if you lost your phone, you can always find the where the phone is, but it may require your location also. Payment protection, definitely when there is a payment protection you can enable this, and you can enable this payment protection on Google Pay. So I'm using Google Pay, so I'm enabling here. Okay, anti-harassment calls and all you can definitely block directly. Encryption, you can allow app encryption also, but I'm not allowing that right now. Okay, so I am closing it. So there are many other features. Okay, device and privacy. Okay, Google Play Protect. Okay, this is a very good feature of Google Play. So I think all of us should enable this Google Play. This is a good feature, and it will scan your system for antivirus and all, and it definitely go and update your system okay, regularly. Based on the update available, sometime updates are not available for 2 3 months also. Unknown source installation, you should definitely keep it off if you are not understanding the feature. If you know how this works, and if you want to enable it, then you should enable. Otherwise, if you are a general user, I recommend that you disable this. Okay, then there are other signatures and all, definitely. And based on location also, if you go to the location service, you can see which all the features you have enabled here, like high accuracy, low consumption device, all this detail. Okay, so these are basic features where you should enable the phones uh, some of the settings. Okay, I hope you will understand and you will do it accordingly. Okay.